Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide offensive content on Instagram. So by offensive content, I mean like rude comments or messages that aren't very friendly. I'll show you how to get rid of them. So first things first, go to your profile on Instagram. Once you're here, click on the three bars in the top right corner, and then click on settings. It should be at the top of the bar that just showed up. Once you click on that, click on privacy. It should be the third option down. Now, once you do that, there will be three things that you can do to up your privacy. So first, if you click on hidden words, then you'll be able to block specific words from comments and pages on Instagram. So you can just turn on the Instagram made blocking option, or you can make your own with custom words. You can add whatever words you want to this. You can just push on the type bar, and then once you do that, you can put in a random word and click done, or add in the top right, and then once you do that, it'll be added and you won't be able to see that word anywhere on Instagram. So that's one thing you can do to control sensitive content on Instagram. Once you do that, you can turn on hide comments and hide message requests with those words, and you can turn them on or off. Another thing you can do, if you go back and click on comments, then you can choose who you can see comments from. So you can block people for commenting, or you can just choose people who you follow, or your followers, or people you follow and your followers. This is pretty nice for choosing who you want to be able to see who comments. And the last thing you can do, if you go to limits, you can choose how long they have to wait before they can message you on Instagram. So you can choose like people who just started following you or people who aren't following you and limit their time. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.